So here's how we can make a document on the iPad, which is currently Word. And how can you make it read only? So you basically turn it from the editable format into the read only, right? And the best way by far to do it is by converting it to a different file format. So essentially, you're gonna do it this way. By the way, if it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss the upcoming videos and tutorials like this one. So the best way to do it in my case is to locate the file in your Files app or whatever you have it. And I personally use the Apple Pages document editor. So it's official from Apple. It's free to use and you should most definitely have access to it. And essentially I open up my document through this editor, right? And you can obviously perform some changes. It's a Word document, but what I'm going to do instead is that I'm going to leave it as it is and instead export it, but in a different format. Because within the Apple Pages app, you of course have access to the export page, and in there you can pick a different format. And I can pick the PDF, which is ideal for our case because you can export it in the PDF, which will make sure that the text is right there. You can still copy the text or leave some links in there. Obviously, it's going to work with the images and everything is going to stay as it is, but it's just not going to be editable. And that's probably and obviously the thing that we wanted to do, so you can export it in a PDF, and that's essentially how you can end up with a non-editable Word document. So let me know if it worked out well for you. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well.